Hello everyone. Every Fijian should remain on high alert and adhere to the advice of authorities as we prepare for more severe weather across the country over the next few days. Projections indicate we have a new cyclone forming to the west of Fiji that poses yet another serious threat to the lives of our people and the health of the Fijian economy. As we've seen, due to changing weather patterns, these storms are becoming more frequent and more severe, and it is vitally important that every Fijian is fully prepared for this fresh onslaught. We are already providing relief and rehabilitation in those areas already hit by Tropical Cyclone Josie, and we have no way of knowing exactly where the next storm will strike, so we must all be prepared and alert. I urge you all to pay close attention to the media and the warnings and advice that will be given in the coming days. Make sure your property is as secure as you can make it. If you have any doubt about its ability to withstand the storm, we have evacuation centers ready to take you. Your personal safety and that of your family is paramount. Please avoid any swollen rivers and stay out of any floodwaters altogether. Do not try to drive through water covering the road. I also urge every Fijian to please take special care to ensure those who are vulnerable, including children and the elderly, are kept as far away as possible from flooded areas and out of harm's way. This has been a very trying time for Fijians who are still reeling from the severe weather we experienced earlier this week. All of my government's efforts are being directed at assisting those Fijians already affected. We have been on the ground providing relief, and we will continue to provide immediate support to those Fijians experiencing the continued rains and flooding this weekend. I repeat, please be prepared, stay safe, listen out for regular updates on the weather conditions, and follow the instructions of disaster management officials. If you are being affected, know that help is on the way. May God bless us all and bless our beloved Fiji. Thank you.